PediaSure with Ms Manjari Chandra introduces Grow Right, Immuno Right.
Today we're going to make a very fun and interesting recipe, the buckwheat crepes. The batter of the buckwheat crepes uses these ingredients: buckwheat flour, some flaxseed powdered, some PediaSure vanilla, and we're also using some soy milk. We're using PediaSure vanilla flavor in the buckwheat crepes in the batter. PediaSure is actually a pediatric nutritional supplement. It is a complete nutritional supplement with macronutrients and micronutrients. Let us start making our buckwheat crepes. The first part of making the crepes is to saute the vegetables. We'll use some oil or butter to saute the vegetables. As the vegetables are getting sauteed, we'll also be mixing our batter together. We're using soy milk to make the batter, but you could also use almond milk. Grease a pan and add some peanut oil or butter into the pan to grease it. You can take the buckwheat mixture and swirl it into the pan. As you can see, we'll now try and take the crepe out of the pan. So we'll be adding the vegetables, the sauteed vegetables in the center of the crepe. Now we're going to fold the crepe from 4 sides before we serve it onto a plate.